Do you want to recover deleted story on Instagram? You can restore recently deleted stories on Instagram with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to recover deleted story on Instagram. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips video. A deleted story on Instagram is a photo or video post that was removed from your account story after published. And you can restore deleted stories from Instagram within 30 days of deletion. To recover recently deleted stories on Instagram, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. On your profile page, tap on the three horizontal lines located in the top right corner. This will open a menu. Scroll down the menu and look for Your Activity. Tap on it. In the Your Activity screen, you will see Recently Deleted. This section holds your recently deleted content, including stories. Tap on it to view your recently deleted story. Tap on the Stories tab. This will display all the recently deleted stories from your Instagram account within the last 30 days. Find the recently deleted story that you want to recover and tap on it to view it in full screen. Now, tap on the three dots or more menu located in the bottom right corner of the screen. A pop-up menu will appear. Select Restore from the menu. Another pop-up confirmation will appear. Tap on Restore to confirm and recover the recently deleted story. By following these steps, you'll be able to successfully recover recently deleted stories on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips.